Welcome back guys, today we're checking out the D40X Bluetooth bookshelf speakers from Majority. A massive thank you to Majority for making today's video possible, so without any further ado, let's get into it. Packed in the box, you'll come across the user manual, audio cables, the remote control with all the relevant control buttons, and 2 AAA batteries. The D40X sports 4 bass drivers with Kevlar cones and 70 watts of HD sound. When it comes to the design, the D40X speakers look great in my opinion. The all black contrasted with the nice shade of yellow gives it a sleek look and should fit into most home environments. On the bottom are 4 rubber feet to keep them from sliding about. The right speaker is the main speaker where all the connections are located, and on the right of the right speaker you'll find the indication lights, headphone jack, the mode button, the buttons for volume and skipping tracks. On the back you'll see the power plug, the left speaker connection, a digital optical and aux input, the on-off power button, the power input and a micro SD slot perfect for playing locally stored media, and you can also do the same thing using a USB input. Simply connect the left speaker using an attached cable and you're ready for business. I decided to add these to my living room TV. After everything was set up, I was pleased with how much they didn't look out of place. The size was not overbearing and it gave a clean look. The next thing to do was to watch some content and check out the audio quality. After testing out some movies, it was only right to see how they perform when gaming, so I fired up the PS5 to see how they would get on. When it comes to movies and gaming, the Majority D40Xs really gave a good account of themselves. The dialogue was clear and the action was punchy, everything I've come to expect from Majority products. I was also impressed with the music quality when I hooked up my phone using the Bluetooth function. The D40Xs were more than up to the task of filling up my room with good precise audio. Overall, I would recommend these for any TV, music or even a PC setup, and currently they are selling for only $89.95, so they are worth checking out, and you can do so by clicking the link in the description. Thanks again to Majority for sending out more of their great products, and as always, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.